Good morning student. We start class 12 physics and the name of topic is Ohm's law and proof of Ohm's law. So firstly Ohm's law at constant temperature B directly proportional to I. It means if temperature is constant, then potential difference is directly proportional to electric current. When we remove the sign of proportionality, then we add one constant and the name of constant is R, where R is known as resistance and I is electric current and B is potential difference or voltage. Students, in Ohm's law, graph always comes straight line. It means if we draw graph between B and I, then it always straight line, and the graph between B and I gives the value of R. It means we can find the resistance with the help of BI graph. Next is proof for Ohm's law. Student, we know the formula of drift velocity BD equal to E tau upon M. We know that E equal to B upon L. BD equal to E और E की जगह हमने वैल्यू पुट की है B अपॉन L. देन BD इक्वल टू EV टाउ अपॉन ML. BD इक्वल टू EV टाउ अपॉन ML and we put the value in I equal to NEA BD formula. It is the relation between drift velocity and electric current. Then I equal to NEA and the value of BD is EB tau upon ML. Student, E and E is E square. I equal to N E square AB tau upon ML. Then V is come this side. Then I upon B equal to N E square A tau upon ML. Student, we reverse this equation. Then B upon I equal to M upon ML N square A tau. B upon I equal to R. Then B equal to IR. It is the statement of Ohm's law. So I repeat again this topic. Ohm's law, it means at constant temperature B directly proportional to I. It means B equal to IR and R is resistance, I is electric current and B is potential difference. Then prove the Ohm's law. We know BD equal to E tau upon M. The value of E equal to B upon L. Then we put the value of E यानी EV tau upon ML. Then EV tau upon ML put in equation. It means जो हमने derive किया है relation between drift velocity and electric current. I equal to NEA BD. तो I इक्वल टू NEA BD की वैल्यू EV टाउ अपॉन ML है, इसको हमने पुट किया. NE स्क्वायर AB टाउ अपॉन ML. तो I अपॉन B इक्वल टू NE स्क्वायर A टाउ अपॉन ML. देन बी रिवर्स दिस इक्वेशन यानी B अपॉन I इक्वल टू ML अपॉन NE स्क्वायर A टाउ. देन R इक्वल टू जो है आपका ML अपॉन NE स्क्वायर A टाउ then we put the value of this B upon I equal to R, so B equal to IR. This is the formula for Ohm's law. Thank you students.